Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 30 how to claim your custom URL for your YouTube channel on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you sign into the account, and then go to the bottom left corner of the screen where it says Creator Studio Classic for the moment. Submit, and this takes us back to Legacy Classic. For the task we are required to do, go to Channel, go to Status and Features, Custom URL. You're eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. Now, how do we get this? Well, claim your channel URL. Look at the guidelines. The eligibility, you require 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, your channel, haven't uploaded photo as a channel icon, have an uploaded channel art, and then custom URL shows enable. Go back to YouTube Studio for the moment, go to my channel. The channel needs to be 30 days old, a profile photo, a header. We need 100 subscribers. Click on Enable. You're eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. Click on Claim It. Here's how you will look on YouTube. youtube.com/c/computer science videos. Read the terms of use, and now we can change the URL. Change the URL. Confirm your choice. Go to youtube.com/c/computer science videos. And now we are redirected to my channel. Copy the URL. Go to another web browser. Could be Chrome or Firefox. Paste the URL. Press enter. And now we are on the YouTube channel Computer Science Videos from a customizable URL. Quick Google Chrome. Go to YouTube Studio, Creator Studio Classic, go to Channel, Custom URL. You have already claimed a custom URL, which is Computer Science Videos. So we can quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.